Hi, I'm Chitra with Microsoft Accessibility team. Today, I'm going to give you an update on the Change Text Size feature in Windows 10.
In a graphic, a man is at a computer and a question mark pops up. A hand extends from the computer and points to the keyboard. Microsoft support made easy.
The Change Only the Text Size option was turned off in Windows 10 Creators Update, as this feature caused items to crowd things together and had varying levels of support in Edge, Start, and other applications. Instead, I'm going to show you how to use the scaling feature to change the size of the text, apps, and other items. First, please be prepared to sign out of your account. You may want to save all your files ahead of time. Let's get started by launching Narrator by pressing Control, Windows, and Enter.
Starting Narrator. Start.
Now open Settings using the shortcut Windows and I.
Settings. Search box. Find a setting. Editing.
Once you're in the Windows Settings window, I'm using the Tab keys to select System.
System.
And hit Enter.
Enter. Search box. Find a setting. Editing.
Now tap to Display and tap down to Scale and Layout.
Change the size of text, apps, and other items, 100%, 1 of 4, selected.
To change the size of text, apps, and other items. Now I'm going to drill down here to change the recommended scaling option settings to 175%.
150, 175%, 4 of 4, non-selected.
And hit Enter.
Enter.
For even more customization, select the custom scaling feature to go to outside of recommended ranges. For best results, adjust custom scaling in 25% increments to avoid fuzzy or blurry text. Go ahead and select Sign Out now. If you enjoyed this video, please select the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos related to assistive technology.
Microsoft Logo in high contrast, Logo in Braille, Logo in sign language, standard Microsoft Logo.
Microsoft.